pharmacists out here and vanakkam, because this time we have a notification coming from Tamil Nadu. जी हाँ, जो भी pharmacists, the people who are watching from Tamil Nadu, especially this notification for pharmacy of today is for you guys. Let's see what's there in the bank. तो pharmacist के लिए DHS रानीपेट तमिलनाडु से notification आई है. You can see on my screen regarding the job description. Full-time pharmacist, DHS रानीपेट तमिलनाडु, job description. So about the company, what is DHS? DHS क्या है? District Health Society. DHS is District Health Society. ये it comes under Tamil Nadu Health Department and it provides essential medicine and pharmacy services in government healthcare facilities. What is your role and responsibility as a pharmacist over there? Your role and responsibility will be to dispense medicines as per prescription. You have to maintain the drug inventory and stock records. You have to ensure the proper storage of drugs. The patient counseling has to be done, and all the documentation, pharmacy named compliances have to be rolled over the job vacancies. इसके लिए qualification दोनों ही Bachelor of Pharmacist or Diploma in Pharmacy available are eligible. Sorry. So if you have done your Bachelor of Pharmacy, if you have done your Diploma in Pharmacy, both the qualifications are eligible for this particular post. And what are the skills required? Skills: drug dispensing, inventory management, prescription handling, patient counseling, pharmacy documentation. And yes, is there any experience required? क्या हमें experience की ज़रूरत है इसमें? No. Freshers can apply on this, guys. Freshers. So if you're a fresher diploma in pharmacy, if you're a fresher bachelor in pharmacy, you can apply for this post. And what are the benefits? Salary range is between 13,000, so up to 60,000. Up to 60K per month is your salary. Your salary is up to 60K per month. And government job security, it's a government job, no application fee, and age relaxation is there as per the category. तो अगर आप किसी एक particular category में belong करते हो तो आपकी age relaxation, जो maximum age relaxation है, वो भी होगी. And how do you apply for this post? You have to send the filled application. Hard copy भेजना है. It is offline. Very, very important to note. This is an offline application, everyone. It's an offline application. Okay. It's an offline application, as I mentioned, offline application. Okay. You have to send the filled application to this particular address. Okay. This is your address: Executive Secretary, District Health Society, B Block, 3rd floor, Collectorate Complex, Ranipet. And you have to apply between 17 December to 6th of January. So 6th January is your last date for application. How do you get to know about this? For application form, you have to click here. For official notification, you have to click here. So we'll click on the official notification quickly and then come back to the application form. Let's download it again. So here it's opening the, see. So this is the official notification. We'll come back to the 6th point. 6th number पे pharmacist है, Public Health and Preventive Medicine Department. There is only one post. A diploma in pharmacy or a bachelor of pharmacy must have registered with pharmacy. You have to have your degree, and your registration should be from Pharmacy Council of India, and to keep the registration alive by renewing it regularly every year. So this is the detailed notification. Rest of the things are written in Tamil. Now let's come back to the application form. So your application form will be in the similar way. You have to go and you have to apply for the same, right? Yes. So this is your application form. Now coming to the application form, it will just open quickly. This is your application form. You have to take a printout. इसका printout लेके hand से fill करके documents के साथ आपको भेजना है. So this is entirely in Tamil. So all the people who are from Tamil Nadu can understand and fill the application form in Tamil, and you can very well, apply for this particular post. So this is one notification. Coming down to the next one, you have one more job vacancy coming from Nilgiris. So pharmacist Tamil Nadu, Nilgiris, it is the same, just the location is different. District Health Society, Nilgiri, roles and responsibilities are the same, qualification is same, eligibility age is 21 to 45 years, same salary, benefits. How do you apply? Click here for official notification, and again the last date is also 6th January. So let's open up the official notification and see what's there in that. Right? So it's the same. It's coming under DHS, right? District Health Society in Nilgiris, that is in Kunur, and next one was for Ranipet. So here again in the 6th point you can see pharmacist. So there are 2 vacancies in Nilgiri, 1 vacancy in Ranipet. Diploma in pharmacy or bachelor of pharmacy, it's in Udagamandalam, Kunur, must have registered with Tamil Nadu Pharmacy Council and must keep the registration alive. So if you have a domicile of Tamil Nadu, this is something which is very, very important. Now the question arises is that if there are any job vacancy for pharmacists, है ना, अगर pharmacist के लिए कोई job vacancy आती है, तो आपको कैसे पता लगेगा and how will you go and search for it? How will you go and search for it, guys? So basically you have to search on this, which is Jobsly, right? Let's go back to the jobs and I'll tell you how do you go by this. So Jobsly is a global healthcare job portal by Academically. This is a free initiative for you guys so that you get the job opportunities. तो जहाँ भी नई जॉब अपॉर्चुनिटी एज फार्मासिस्ट आपके लिए आती है, आपके कोई कलीग्स हैं या कोई फ्रेंड्स हैं जो अदर हेल्थ केयर प्रोफेशंस हैं, जैसे फिजियोथेरेपिस्ट हैं, डॉक्टर्स हैं, फार्मासिस्ट हैं, डेंटिस्ट हैं, है ना, नर्सेज हैं, वो भी यहाँ पे अपने जॉब वैकेंसी देख सकते हैं. तो आप जॉब्सली पे जाओगे, जॉब्सली पे जाके यू विल क्लिक ऑन फार्मासिस्ट. So when you click on pharmacist, you see all the job vacancies of pharmacists from NZP, pharmacist manager, then you have pharmacist, है ना, ये Amkil Plus, pharmacist Tasmanian government, Tulsi compounding pharmacy, NSW health. So all these job vacancies are there. तो चाहे आपको ग्लोबल लेवल पे देखना हो, इंडिया में देखना हो, सारी जॉब वैकेंसीज आपको जॉब्सली पे मिलेंगी. तो जो लोग घर पे बैठे हैं आफ्टर बी फार्म करके या डिप्लोमा करके, गाइस जॉब ले लो, क्योंकि हल्की सी भी एक्सपीरियंस आपके गवर्नमेंट जॉब में आपके बहुत काम आ सकता है. सिमिलरली इफ यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग फॉर दुबई या फिर अदर कंट्रीज, तो वहां पे भी आपको एक्सपीरियंस मांगते हैं वो. तो हमेशा एक्सपीरियंस होना बहुत जरूरी है. डोंट सिट एट होम एंड प्रिपेयर. काम करो, साथ साथ एग्जाम्स की प्रिपरेशन करो एंड गो विजिट जॉब्सली एंड keep on watching us. Thank you so much for watching this video. Like, share and subscribe our channel and comment down if you have any question. Till then, see you.